Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up a boxing charm by Ipsy box. I have it right here. This is for the month of September. I'm super excited to show you guys what we got in this box this month. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little overview of what we have in here. So the first thing I have here, it's an eyeshadow palette slash face palette, and this is one of the power picks that they chose for me. The Lara's Essential Soft Satin 6 Mattes Eyeshadow and 2 Highlighter Palette. Let's open it up. It gives me very much autumn vibes. This palette right here retails for $20. All of the eyeshadow in here are soft matte eyeshadow, and the only like glitter shades or shimmery shades we have are the 2 highlighters that we have in here, which are beautiful color, may I add. They're really pretty. I can definitely see how you can create a soft autumn look or like a very smoked out autumn look. This is beautiful. I can't wait to try them out. Now the second power pick that they chose for me, it is the Maracuja Juicy Blush. Maracuja, I think it's pronounced. Juicy Blush, and this is from Tarte. This blush is a cream blush. It is in the shade Big Ego. It retails for $30. It's supposed to give you like a hydrating glow to your skin, and it says that it's infused with 10 different grapefruits, which I'm not sure what that means, but it sounds good. So freaking bright and pretty. Usually I don't really like go for this kind of blushes, to be honest, but I'm interested to see like how it will look on my skin, because I don't usually go for the really bright pink blushes. So this next thing is something that I picked, and this is the Mo Beauty Vitally Defined Precision Brow Pencil and Brush. This is something that I thought would be really interesting to try out, since we don't really get like a lot of brow pencils in my BOXYCHARM, and I just thought like, let's just try it out, you know. It kind of reminds me of the Wet n Wild pencil that I use because of the shape. And then we have the brush on the other. This little brow pencil right here retails for $16. So this next item right here, it's something that I also picked. I thought it would be really interesting. So this is the Danessa Marix Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil Multi-Chrome Eyeliner Pencil. This is really interesting. So this is like a chrome eyeliner pencil, and honestly I never seen anything like that, so I was like, we have to try it here on the channel. I don't have any expectations of this because I've never tried anything like this before. It's so tiny. This retails for $22, and it says that it's supposed to change from indigo to plum depending on what lighting you're using. I don't know how I'm gonna like use this yet, but we're gonna figure it out, okay? We're gonna figure it out. This is in the shade Lilac Quartz. Now the last thing I have here that I picked is the Cab Felt Tip Eyeliner Duo in Matte Black. This retails for $38, and it's supposed to be 2 matte black eyeliners. So I've never seen a black eyeliner that has gray packaging, but I really like it because it's really interesting. Like, I don't know, it's nice to look at too. Now that we have everything opened up and ready to go, let's try these products on. Let's start off with the brow pencil. So these are my eyebrows. I think they're looking pretty good. I would say this eyebrow pencil was a little bit of a learning curve, because I thought it was gonna be like the other one that I have that's similar to it, but because this one's a little bit thicker, it was a little bit harder to like draw the way I usually draw my brows. So I just kind of had to work around it, but it really wasn't a big deal. After I got the hang of it, it was pretty easy. It was also creamy, and it wasn't like hard to draw my brows on. I wasn't like pulling out my skin. Now let's move on to this blush. I'm really excited to try it out. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Okay, let me wipe some on my hand. This is so pigmented. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented. Hold on. Oh my goodness. No way. I have to get my foundation brush. Hold on. Let's tone this down a bit, cause what? Okay, now I know. Not too much. Not too much. Alright. Y'all. Hold on. Guys. This blush, so pretty. Mind you, I diffused it because it was just way too pigmented. Like, that was crazy. That was very bright. Very pretty. Wow, I actually really like it. So this is without setting it. It gives like a nice radiant glow. You can see it. It's really pretty. And I'm just gonna set it with some translucent powder. Cause your girl got oily skin and I don't want to be melting off. Now it looks pretty matte when you set it, which I don't mind. But if you want that radiant glow, I think it's safe to say not to set it. But let's use this palette here. First, let's use the highlighter. So I'm gonna use this one right here, and this is called Starlight. It's kind of like settle. It's really soft. It's a very soft highlighter color. I'm gonna try to do a very quick look with this. I'm gonna use the shade called Sumptuous. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Striking. And lastly, I'm gonna go with the color Stylish. Alright, so the eyeshadow is done. I just went ahead and repeated the same steps with the same colors on my bottom lash line. But honestly, this is really pretty. I love these eyeshadow colors. They're very soft. Very soft. Very easy to blend. I had no trouble at all blending them. Like, they're so easy to blend. And they're just that autumn soft matte look. This, out of all of my eyeshadows in my collection, this is the perfect autumn eyeshadow. Like, literally the perfect colors. It's insane. Let's go on with the eyeliner. And I was thinking we can go with the eyeliner and then kind of go like under the eyeliner with the chrome micro liner. I don't like this eyeliner. This is more of a personal preference, but I rather have an eyeliner that's more flexible. This is very like I have to press kind of hard if I want to bend it, but this is very stiff. You can see how it will work in different eye shapes and on other people, but for me it's really hard, especially with my hooded eyes. I need something that's like more flexible, and it's just like very stiff. It's kind of hard to like draw on your eyeliner, so I personally don't like it. Now, looking at the performance, it's very matte. It's very like dark, so I really like that. It's just the tip that really like messing with me, because if it was more of a flexible tip, I honestly like will have no problem with it. Now let's try out this micro eyeliner. I'm gonna put it right under the wing that I did. I tried to do the little line thing, but it didn't really work out, and I literally lost 2 little chunks of it. And I wasn't even putting that much pressure. To line your eyes, you really have to be careful with it so you don't break it. But I went ahead and put it on my waterline. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is turning colors. Like, it's shifting colors. It's like, it's more of a lilac purple. I would suggest probably just using it for like waterline, or maybe even to highlight like parts of your face. Like, oh my god, that looks so pretty. Like that. Oh, that looks really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's always so fun to make this kind of video for y'all. If you would please give a thumbs up, it would really help my channel, and subscribe if you like watching videos like this. And see you guys in my next one. Be happy and smile.